everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I thought it'd be fun to do a little recipe video. I was thinking today we have a lot of leftover turkey, so it'd be fun to do some kind of dish we can use all this turkey for. I'm going to do a spicy turkey soup that is keto friendly because I am currently doing the keto way of eating. So what we're going to use for ingredients today are, we're just going to use salt and pepper, some chili powder, a little bit of paprika, some Italian herbs, a little bit of cayenne for spice. I have a cold, so I like to spice it up a little bit to help with that. Some celery, an avocado we're going to put on the top at the end, some garlic, an onion, a couple nice jalapenos, and I got this turkey stock that we're going to use as well. This is just the drippings that came off of the turkey after we cooked it in the oven. These are really good. A lot of vitamins, some good fat on top. Lots of good stuff in there. So if you can, save those. If not, you can just use chicken stock. It'll work just fine. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is add a little bit of olive oil to this pan. This is going to be for the veggies. Once we're done chopping them all up, we're going to toss those in there for a couple minutes, let it heat up before we add our stock. Then we're just going to chop up all the vegetables real quick and toss them in the pan. Alright, now we're going to move on to the spices. We're going to add our salt, pepper, and all our other spices. Also, don't forget, when you're cutting peppers, don't touch your face, because now my upper lip burns a lot, because I cut up a jalapeno and then rub my face. Alright, so let's just go with salt and pepper. We're just going to, I like to do the spices just, you know, I like to just go however much I want. I'll probably end up doing like a teaspoon or so of chili powder, paprika.
Show them what this is.
This is the chili powder. And we're gonna get it nice and now it's starting to heat up, you can hear it. We're gonna get all our spices in there before it heats all the way up. This is a garlic herb grinder, Italian herb. There's all kinds of different herbs in there. I don't know what's all in there, but it's always pretty good. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of cayenne, just for spice. Not too much, because my wife doesn't like it too spicy, but I do. Alright, so now we're just gonna, we have that olive oil in there. We're just gonna saute these veggies a little bit, soften them up before we add our stock. Before I pour in the turkey stock, I'm going to warm it up in the microwave a little bit because it's cold and it's a little jelly. Here, my cat Hank wants to smell it. Look, it's turkey stock. You don't want it. Shoot the video. Alright, now that those have kind of warmed up a little bit, we're going to add in both of our mason jars. It's still a little jelly-ish, but once that starts heating up, it'll kind of liquefy. Also, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add about a cup or so of water, just because the turkey stock isn't quite enough, but it's really intense stock, so it'll still taste really good. Okay, so now that we did our veggies, we did our spices, we got the water and the turkey stock in there, it's starting to heat up. We're going to raise it to boil, and while it's heating up, we're going to add in our turkey. Okay, so now the soup is done. It's boiled for 10 minutes and it's ready to be served right away. I've just turned off the heat and now I'm just gonna scoop it out and put it in the bowls. It looks and smells super good, so I'm excited. And I put a whole lot of turkey in it because we just had a whole lot of turkey and who doesn't like leftover turkey? So you're just gonna give yourself a nice bowl full. And then the last thing we're gonna do is just add some of the chopped up avocado on top. And that'll just finish it up real nice. Give you extra little fat there from the avocado if you're doing keto.
Hi guys, I'm Zach's wife. I'm gonna try this and see how it tastes. Very good. A little bit spicy, but I like spicy, but not too much spice. Zach knows it. And I think it's a really fun recipe for leftover turkey, so I think you should try it.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for this recipe. I think also if you wanted to add tortilla chips or noodles to this, if you weren't keto, that'd be great too. I'm going to put the ingredient list down in the description below if you need that. I know it's not too many ingredients, but I'll include it just in case you want a list. Thank you guys all for watching. If you want to see more keto recipes or videos, leave a like or comment down below. Thank you to my wife for filming this, and have a nice day everybody.